Out of all the O-rings that a corny keg uses, the dip tube O-ring is the hardest to replace, but it is still very easy with the correct tool. You first need to begin by removing the post from the keg. Make sure you are using the appropriate size socket for your type of keg. They come in a few different sizes depending on the manufacturer of the keg that you have. Never use pliers. They are difficult to grab onto the posts correctly, and if you're only replacing the O-rings and not the entire post, you risk damaging them. Once you have determined the appropriate size socket, simply ratchet counterclockwise to loosen the post. You can usually finish unthreading the post by hand once it's loosened. After the post is off, remove the dip tube. Then simply slide off the old dip tube O-ring and slide a new one on. Then insert the dip tube back on the keg, thread the post back on, and tighten with your socket. And repeat these exact same steps on the other side.